Introducing the Little Bucket Mouse Trap, the innovative and effective solution for safely and efficiently capturing mice in your home or workspace. This complete kit includes everything you need to set up a humane and hassle-free mouse trap, including a bucket, ramp, and roller. Designed with simplicity and effectiveness in mind, the Little Bucket Mouse Trap provides a non-toxic and environmentally friendly way to deal with unwanted rodents. Unlike traditional snap traps or glue traps, which can be messy and inhumane, this trap utilizes a rolling mechanism to capture mice without causing harm. Here's how it works. Simply fill the bucket with a small amount of water or bait, then attach the ramp to the edge of the bucket and position the roller over the water or bait. When a mouse approaches the trap, it will climb the ramp in search of food, causing the roller to spin and the mouse to fall into the bucket below, where it will be safely contained until you release it outdoors. The Little Bucket Mouse Trap is easy to set up and requires no special skills or tools. Simply follow the included instructions, and you'll have a fully functional trap in minutes. Plus, its compact design allows you to place it discreetly in corners, along walls, or in other areas where mice are known to frequent. Made from durable materials, this mouse trap is built to last and can be reused multiple times, making it a cost-effective and eco-friendly alternative to disposable traps. Whether you're dealing with a single mouse or a full-blown infestation, the Little Bucket Mouse Trap provides a reliable and humane solution for capturing rodents. Experience the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home or workspace is free from unwanted pests. Click the link in the description to learn more and make your purchase today. Say goodbye to mice the humane way with the Little Bucket Mouse Trap.